Welcome to the DMS-Lite video training series. Today we will be adding a PixelPro camera to DMS-Lite. The DMS-Lite application should already be running with the Setup tab selected. If not, please start DMS-Lite and go to the Setup tab. From the Setup tab, locate the configuration panel and click on Resource. The device list will appear to the right. Go to the top right of the screen and click on Get Discovered Devices. The New Discovered Devices dialog box will appear. Depending on the speed of the PC and/or the network, the dialog box may be empty. You'll notice that it says Device Discovering in the top right corner. Give the system a moment or two, and then it should list any discovered PixelPro cameras. Click on the first discovered PixelPro camera, and then click on the Edit option. The Edit Device dialog box will appear. The first thing we need to do is assign the camera a name in the device name field. The only restriction on the name is that it cannot be a duplicate of an existing camera entry. In this case, I am going to use DT1MA, as in the model of the selected PixelPro, for the name field. The model field should already list the correct model of the PixelPro camera in question. If by chance the model is incorrect, click on the drop-down menu to reveal all the supported models and select the correct one. Although the Media Protocol field has default initially selected, I recommend selecting the required protocol. Click on the Media Protocol field and from the drop-down list, select the required protocol for your application needs. I'm going to select RTP on TCP as it is the most commonly used protocol covering most situations. The address entry should show the correct IP address of the camera as it was auto-discovered by DMS-Lite. The port entry should show the correct port number of the camera as it was auto-discovered by DMS-Lite as well. The ID entry requires the user ID that is used by the PixelPro camera when accessing its video feed and/or feature set. In this case, the user ID is admin, and since the user ID is case sensitive, all capital. Just like with the ID entry, the password entry requires the user password used by the PixelPro camera. I'm using default settings, so I need to enter 1, 2, 3, 4 to match that of the PixelPro's admin password. The last option to set is the auto connection, and if checked, DMS-Lite will attempt to connect to the camera after you have logged into DMS-Lite. One thing to note about the auto connection option is that it can quickly eat up the available network bandwidth when connecting to too many IP devices at one time. If network bandwidth is limited, it is not recommended to use the auto connection option, but to manually connect to an IP device or devices as needed. That said, I'm going to leave the auto connection checked for the point of this video. Now that the PixelPro information is added, select OK to close the Edit Device dialog box. The PixelPro entry in the Discovered Devices list should now list the PixelPro camera. Repeat the discussed steps to add any additional cameras and then click on OK. After the Discovered Devices dialog box has closed, the device list should reflect any and all added cameras. To apply the changes to the device list, click on the Apply option in the bottom right. DMS-Lite requires a confirmation of the addition of any IP device, so click on Yes. As a note, the way to connect to a PixelPro that does not have the auto connection option selected is by right-clicking on the camera under the System Overview panel. The drop-down menu will list the options to assign, connect, and disconnect. Select the Connect option and DMS-Lite will connect to the camera for the duration of the current session, or until manually disconnected. Thank you for viewing this DMS-Lite training video related to adding a PixelPro camera. Keep an eye on our website for more training videos, and if you don't see what you need, please email us.